Hey, welcome back. Real quick, I'm just going to show you a little in the shop hack that I use to kind of simplify my buzz baits, make them more streamlined. I think they get a better hookup ratio, they fly better through the air, and there's just not so much wire hanging all over the place. So here's one I tied up years ago. I've been using this one for a long time and had a lot of success with it. So I'm going to show you how to make them real quick. You're going to need some round tipped wire bending pliers, maybe some needle nose, and maybe some side cutters, wire cutters. So let's jump into it. I have a Strike King headbanger here. Just a real cheap little, simple little buzz bait. Comes with an extra trailer, pretty cool. So we're gonna pop the trailer off just to make it easier to handle for right now. I like how long that hook is though, that's pretty sweet. So let's get our needle nose and just start bending this wire out straight. Try not to bend it back and forth too many times, or else you're gonna end up with some breakage. Just kind of work it. Get it straight. Okay, and then you're going to take this little tab on the back that holds the blade on, straighten that bad boy out so we can take all the components off for now. So we have this little bushing, the blade, and this tiny little bead. So now we're gonna straighten this last kink out. Just kind of get it to where we have a blank slate here. Okay, that looks pretty good. And we're gonna go from the nose, bend this up at about a 45. Make sure you keep it all in line. Okay, I like that. And we're gonna go about 3/4 of an inch up and bend it back straight. All right, and that's where we're gonna put this little aluminum bushing. The flange part needs to face the blade itself. So like that. Now, one of the secret things that makes a buzzbait so good is the squeak. You can tell this one has that squeak going on. That's because you can see I have crimped, focus, I've crimped that little bushing on there. So we're going to take our pliers, put that where we want it, and just crank down on it so that bushing is not spinning anymore. So I'm gonna hit it one more time with these very lightly. Gotta love these trains. So that bushing is not spinning anymore. It is stationary. Then we're gonna put this blade on. And that blade is spinning against that bushing and making that squeaking noise. Then finally, put this little bead back on there, and that gives something for the other side of the blade to ride against. And then we're going to get our little wire benders, come up here. I want to give this a little slop, a little something for it to knock around on there. So we're going to bend it back this way a little bit to start the eye. Move it down, make our full circle. And then we're going to grab this circle and twist this tag end around a couple times. Now I'm going to straighten this eye out a little bit and cut the tag off. Flatten that down a little bit. I'm gonna hit the end of that part where I cut it off with a little sandpaper, just so it's not sharp and it doesn't cut my line or anything. And there you have it. That literally took me a few minutes to make, and now we have an inline buzzbait. So let's pop this trailer back on here, and let's go see if we can get this thing bit. Can't beat it. All black inline buzzbait. Oh yeah. Oh, that'll get. Instant. So the cool thing about this design is they just come up and tag the back of it, and that's right where the hook is. So pretty sweet. There's so many bass in here, it's ridiculous. Oh my goodness, they're going on.